Transforming ideas into reality can be daunting, especially if you're trying to do everything yourself or using a variety of tools. But what if you had a team working together, exchanging ideas and sharing tasks? You promote innovative thinking and discover new solutions, getting you better results faster. With SOLIDWORKS, you can quickly create great designs, significantly reducing the development time and cost to bring your products to market. However, to stay ahead of the competition, you need to innovate even more. So, how can you improve collaboration for greater innovation while keeping your trusted design tool? Introducing the 3D Experience Platform. The 3D Experience Platform enables real-time design collaboration. Everyone on your team and your entire organization, even your customers, partners, suppliers, and manufacturers, can collaborate from anywhere, on any device, at any time, with secure access and built-in version control. With configurable dashboards, your team can connect with each other, review the latest ideas and customer feedback, share to-do lists, view project status in real time, and even check out the latest industry news, all while fostering innovation to give you a competitive edge. The cloud-based 3D Experience Platform provides a ready-to-use solution with nothing to install, so you're up and running in minutes. Software updates are automatic, so you can immediately take advantage of the latest functions. Share data easily and securely, with no need for local hardware, and access to new tools as your needs evolve. Apps for data and product lifecycle management, specialized design, simulation, and manufacturing are just a click away. Always up to date, working together with SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD and each other seamlessly, and ready to meet your next challenge. So, get started with the 3D Experience Platform today to empower collaboration, foster innovation, and boost your team's productivity to transform ideas into reality. Learn more today